So this is a Bobcat E38. It's the newer version of the E35, which we have one of those. We wanted to put a tilt rotator head on it, and so we figured we'd get a new machine and not put brand new pieces on an old piece of equipment. So we've got an Engcon tilt rotator and some attachments for it, and yeah, we're looking forward to seeing how it works.
But the main component is inside the crate still. So it's all, I haven't even broke into it. I don't want to break into it until the guy from Sweden gets here.
Engcon install guys are going to show up here, I think, on Monday. And then over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they said they will replace that end with their head, do all the plumbing, computer, new joysticks, tie it all together. And then Thursday, they're supposed to give us kind of a, this is how it works kind of deal.
Yeah, this is the fun part. So I'm gonna like take down all of the cab and start pulling in the wires. It's pretty fun.
I've been following Engcon for quite a while, and you don't see many of these around. In fact, I hardly see them ever on the West Coast. They're more back east and over in Europe a lot. It's a fully rotational head to where it can swivel 360 degrees, and then it can also tilt. And then their proprietary buckets, their special buckets, are really meant for how they turn and the angles. And so I think it's going to speed up our excavation of footings. It's going to speed up our putting pipe in the ground and being able to dig around utilities. And then we do a ton of minor grading for concrete and foundations and dirt work jobs. And it just allows you to get that bucket in places that you otherwise couldn't. A lot of times we'll be digging on flat and you need to cut a ditch or cut a slope. And so you have to tilt the machine, or you have to completely change your angles, or you have to build a pad to get those angles, where with this, you just tilt the bucket or you turn the bucket and you can catch all kinds of angles.